It's that time again where school is almost out, which means that the boys are going to be at home. Which also means that there must be something 24/7 for them to eat. So today I'm making some coated peanuts. Not only roasted peanuts, but coated peanuts. So I'm using 1 pound of nuts and I'm washing it thoroughly to ensure that all the debris and all those dust from inside the peanuts are out. Once it's out, I'm going to place a pan on the fire, and when it's up to a simmer, I'm going to place in my peanuts. I'm going to leave it in there until it comes to a rolling boil. Then I'm going to turn off the flames from beneath it and proceed to strain the peanuts. Once it's strained, we're going to make sure that we leave it so that all the liquids are totally drained before adding it to a baking sheet. And I'm going to place it out in the sun to remove all remaining moisture. This took about an hour about an hour or two to get that done, but once it was completed and it was dry and looked like this, it was time to move to the other step. So here in my bowl, I'm going to place that dried peanuts. And now we're going to mix the rest of ingredients. I have some flour in here, and here I have some cornstarch. I'm going to mix that together. I'm also going to add in some spices, some salt, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg. And we're also going to place that into that flour and that cornstarch, and we're going to mix that to ensure that everything is well incorporated. Now, in these remaining bowls, I have water and condensed milk. My condensed milk is a bit thick, so I'm placing some water into it so that it can come to the consistency that I desire. Then I'm going to gradually add in some of that milk mixture, and I'm going to mix it in. Then I'm going to add in some of the flour mixture, and I'm also going to turn that in, and I'll keep repeating that process until it's well coated. The reason why we are not going to throw in all the milk at one time and all the flour mixture is because we do not want it to be sticky. So once we have completed that process, it should look like this, well coated, but yet not sticky and sticking together. I'm going to test my oil, and I'm going to place it inside there. And we're going to turn it just a bit to ensure again that it does not stick. And when it's golden brown, we're going to take it out of there. This is super delicious and filling. The taste is similar to that of kurma, but it's not sweet. I did not want it sweet, but if you want it sweet, you can add some sugar to the flour mixture. This is the finished product, and I promise you, you would not regret making it. Hope you enjoy.